I'm Shawna Robbins, best-selling Amazon author, board-certified health and wellness coach, and sleep expert. And you have come to the right place if you are looking to level up your sleep. If you are a woman ages 40 and above who is peri and postmenopausal, I have tons of information here on this channel for you to give you all the tips and hacks that you need to sleep better at night. And in fact, it's my personal mission to help millions of women sleep better. So I really, really hope that you get a lot from this video. And so today we are going to talk about why alcohol is the pink elephant in the living room. Well, for me, it's pink because I love rosé and it's pink. Alcohol and sleep do not mix. I don't know if you've noticed it or not, but you don't sleep so well after you've had a bunch of glasses of wine. You can have hot flashes. You wake up in the middle of the night. You have to use the bathroom. You might fall asleep more easily because alcohol is a depressant to the nervous system, but you're not going to stay asleep all night. And that's what we're looking for. We are looking for 7 uninterrupted hours of sleep. The reason being is because in those 7 hours, your body needs to have REM cycles. REM cycles are like gold for your body. It's when you are repairing and restoring every organ in your body. Your brain is resting and cleaning itself. Your heart is repairing itself. Your muscles and tissues are restoring themselves. And so those REM cycles, like I said, are like little pieces of gold that you want to make sure that you get every night. And if you are consuming alcohol before bed or anytime between dinner and bed, you are going to have a problem getting enough REM cycles, and you're going to wake up in the morning and you're going to have brain fog and you're going to be exhausted, and nothing good comes from that. So you want to make sure that you have your last glass of wine or beer or whatever kind of, martini, whatever it is that you like to drink. You want to have it with your dinner, and you don't want to have anything past that. Now, here's the other catch to alcohol. If you are drinking more than three drinks a week, which, for most women is not that much, 3 drinks a week, your chances of breast cancer are going to go up 15%. 15%. Why don't doctors tell us this? I don't know. Why don't we discuss this more? I don't know. But it was pretty shocking to me when I did research for my book and found this out. And on top of that, for every glass of alcohol you have over 3 drinks a week, your chances of breast cancer go up 10% per each drink. So that means if you drink every single day, 7 days a week, a glass of wine or a beer or whatever, your chances of breast cancer are 55% higher than somebody who doesn't drink at all. 55 drinks. So this is a really, really important topic. I want to make sure that you not only trim back your alcohol consumption because of your sleep, but also for your overall health and wellness. There's a reason why breast cancer is the #1 cancer amongst women. Alcohol is a known carcinogenic. It says it right on the bottle. Do not drink, causes cancer. Well, let me tell you, it does. So you really want to dial back the amount of alcohol that you drink to 3 drinks or less per week. And you really want to make sure that you do not drink too close to bedtime. So the REM cycles is one factor. The other factor is that alcohol is a diuretic. So it's going to make you wake up in the middle of the night and have to use the bathroom. And then what happens when you wake up in the middle of the night? Chances are you're up. Your brain is up. It starts thinking. It starts worrying. It starts making plans. And then you can't get back to sleep at all. And the other thing too is that alcohol has a ton of sugar in it. So you will get a sugar high, especially when you're drinking in the evening. And then your sugar levels will drop at about 2-3 o'clock in the morning, and you will wake up. And I have a lot of clients that say, I just wake up and I don't know why. And I'll say, well, did you drink before you went to bed? And they'll say, yeah, I had like a glass or 2, or maybe 3 or maybe 4. Yeah, well, that would be why. So if that's you, you really need to be listening to this video. Really, really, really. I hope that you hear this. And then what happens when it's a diuretic, right? And you get up and you go to the bathroom and then you're awake. Well, then in the morning, your body's completely dehydrated. And so like most women, most likely, you probably don't get enough water. The majority of my clients tell me that they drink coffee and they drink wine. So if this is you, you really need to make sure that you are getting enough water during the day so that you're staying hydrated, especially if you're drinking at night. So make sure that you take your lovely glass of alcohol and just have it as a treat on the weekend. I'm not saying that you never drink alcohol. If you find that you're using alcohol as a way to decompress in the evening, I get it. We all have a super stressful life, especially after the pandemic. Alcohol was the go-to choice for millions of Americans, and the cancer rates that we have right now prove that. So find another way to decompress with your stress, whether it's exercising, you could do an evening meditation, you could take a bath or a shower, using essential oils, or maybe listening to, a nice book on tape. All of those things are going to go a really long way at helping you improve your sleep without having to use alcohol to decompress your nervous system so that you can actually fall asleep, because it's actually robbing you of the deep restorative REM cycle rest that you need to have. So I hope this video has been helpful to you, and I hope you enjoy your 2 to 3 glasses of alcohol a week and nothing past that. If you want to read a free copy of my book, I put the link at the end of this video, and please leave me a comment or check out the other videos that I have here on my channel. All right, thanks.